December pa lang nag-open, bakit parang sikat na sila? Alam mo yung feeling na may bagong bukas na restaurant tapos puno agad? Joyce, Mark and I were invited by the owners ng Colanzo at pagdating namin, full house. Ano ba yung dahilan bakit biglang nag-boom ang brunch culture dito sa Clark? Welcome to Colanzo, Clark Cityfront Mall, Angeles City. Open lang last December 2025, literal na bago pa. Pero nung dumating kami, full house, may couples, may barkada, and families. And you know what? Kita mo agad kung bakit. First bite pa lang, uy, iba to. Yung plating pa lang, alam mo na may effort. Minimalist but elegant yung interior. Parang modern Italian cafe with good mood, chill music. Perfect para sa Gen Z crowd na nag-boom ngayon sa brunch culture. Pero swak pa rin for anyone who just wants good food and good vibes. Let's talk about what makes them stand out sa ibang restaurant dito sa Clark Cityfront Mall. Yung unique flavor ng food. We had Greek salad, baby back ribs, pan-seared salmon, which was my personal favorite actually. Burger na super good, fried shrimp with a twist, and truffle pasta. May coffee, cocktails, and refreshments din sila. Here's what surprised me. Yung fried shrimp, akala mo typical lang. Pero na-discover namin, kainin mo lahat including the crumbs beneath it. Ginawa ko and boom, yun pala yung buong lasa. Parang treasure hunt sa plato. Colanzo ay galing sa Italian words na colazione which means breakfast at pranzo which means lunch. Brunch bistro nga talaga at random mo yung concept. The staff, friendly and approachable. Pricing, affordable to mid-range, super worth it. Kung may kakilala kayong first-timer sa fine casual dining or looking for a date spot, Colanzo yung i-recommend ko. Gandang mag-date dito, promise. Colanzo, Clark Cityfront Mall, bago pero hype na agad. Comment, brunch person or breakfast lunch separate. Tag your date or friends, save this and experience the brunch hype. See you there!